Guys, let's make beef and broccoli for 30 people. It's actually not that hard. I'm using tri-tip today, and we're just gonna shave this meat. So get a sharp knife and just cut those real thin. Just push up against that meat, and you're gonna shave off these little pieces. We're gonna get both roasts done, and it looks like that. Now we're gonna season it a little bit. I got some tamari, and I'm gonna hit it with a couple tablespoons of baking soda. This is really gonna help tenderize it. So we're gonna mix that up, set it aside, and we'll start making up our sauce. That's gonna be a couple bottles of tamari. Again, I'm using this because it's gluten-free and I have a few eaters that can't do the gluten. I add some water so it won't get too salty. Brown sugar, big old scoop of garlic, big old scoop of ginger. And guys, you don't have to be exact on these measurements. These are just ballpark amounts. You're gonna wanna get in there and taste it, make any adjustments that you want. Once you figure out that it's good, go ahead and add some cornstarch. I'm gonna put a couple big tablespoons and give that a mix. That's gonna help thicken it. Now we'll do our broccoli. We're gonna just break those into florets just like that. I got a big bowl full. It's time to cook. And we'll start with some oil in a pan, hot pan, cold oil. That's gonna help keep this meat from sticking. Throw it right in there. Just saute it around, get your spoons, keep it moving. Let it all get nice and browned off. When we get there, just go ahead and pull that out. We don't want to overcook it while we start doing our broccoli. So I put a little bit more oil in there, add the broccoli. I'm going to move that around, let it start softening up just a little bit. I add my meat back in there. We're going to give that all a really nice stir. It's all going to start coming together. Go ahead and add your sauce in now. We need to bring this to a simmer. That's what's going to help that cornstarch to start thickening things up. We're about ready. Look at that. Let it simmer for just a couple minutes. You're good to go. I'm gonna get in there and try it. And man, let me tell you, this was amazing. I think the girls are gonna love it. What a treat. Thanks for watching. Cheers, everyone.